Thank you. Stop. Thank you. Stop. Thank you. Stop. 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 This one's called Nellie the elephant. To Bombay, travel circus came. They brought in Dylan's elephant, and Nellie knows her name. One dark night, she slept and heard her shame, and often chanted words stayed, and was never seen again. Then found a button on the train and said goodbye to secret and went to trumpet night by night, she danced in the six bands. When Nellie laid in big and bright, she lucked and bright and grand. No more tricks for Nellie to perform. They taught her how to take her out, and she crawled the storm. Back to Dragon Ball, sang about the circle, and she trumpet up the trump. Nellie never went back to her trumpet up, and jungle went to the trumpet up trump. Then back to her trumpet punches. But she was a trumpet trump. Nellie went back to the jungle, when he said trumpet. They had it hard to call you on far away, and matching silver like the rose in Mandalay. Then it went back to front to the jungle. Then it went to the gone down the seas, ghost. Circles went to one, jump. Then it went back to her to the jungle. Then it jumped, jump.